Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'm going to answer the question, do I need a permit to replace the tiles in my basement? It's often difficult for homeowners to know when they need a permit for their remodeling project, but it is important to know. And the simple answer to the question is no, you do not need a permit when you replace tiles or floor in your home. But if you're planning on upgrading any electrical or plumbing along with replacing the tile, then yes, you would likely need to pull a permit. You should always check with the building department in your city as to what the code requirements are. Every state and city has different laws with respect to permits. If you do have to pull a permit, then be sure that the contractor you hire pulls the permits himself, not you. And the reason for this is that the responsibility and liability falls on the person who pulls the permits, and you want the contractor to bear that responsibility. Check to be sure he is licensed and bonded in your state or city to do the work, be it tiling, electrical, or plumbing. You'll want to verify that his license is in good standing, is active, and that there are no history of complaints. Verify that he carries insurance, which protects you from any liability should something go wrong. And do a thorough research on the contractor you choose to hire.